welcome back to our channel Sart. My name is Sartak.
My name is Naila.
Today we are learning about different shapes. What 4 shapes do you know?
Triangle, circle, star, heart.
Nara, this is an oval.
This is an oval.
Can you find oval?
Yes.
Nara, this is the square.
Where?
Can you find the square?
Yes.
Nara, this is a circle.
Circle.
Can you find the circle?
Yes.
Nara, this is the heart.
Heart.
Can you find the heart?
Yes.
Nara, this is the triangle. Can you find the triangle?
Yes. Triangle.
Nara, this is the rectangle.
Okay.
This is the star. Pick up the star.
A star.
Naira, this is the circle. Can you join that circle?
Yes.
Naira, this is the rectangle. Can we join the rectangle?
Yes.
Naira, this is the square. Can you join the square?
Yes.
Naira, this is the star. Can you join the star to the star?
Yes.
Naira, this is the heart. Can you join the heart?
Yes.
Naira, this is the triangle. Can we join the triangle?
Yes.
Naira, this is the oval. Can we join the oval?
Yes.
So good.
Thank you.
Nice one. Naira, we are repeating the shape's name.
Okay.
This is a circle,
Circle.
rectangle,
Rectangle.
square,
Square.
star,
Star.
heart,
Heart.
triangle,
Triangle.
oval.
Oval.
Friends, if you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe to Kids Zone. Bye. See you in the next video.
Bye.